Hey guys, Alex here, and today I'm doing an unboxing and paddling video on the 380X carbon fiber Explorer package. For those of you that follow along with my videos, you know all my videos are done in Southwest Florida. But for these next few videos, I drove 10 hours all the way up to the mountains in northern Georgia, the Blue Ridge Mountains. They're beautiful. I'm staying in a cabin right here on a very beautiful small lake. We're surrounded by rivers, and yeah, it's just a nice change up from being in Southwest Florida all year round. So yeah, these next videos are going to be done on the 3DX Explorer. I have the carbon fiber paddle package here. But yeah, for this video, I'm going to be unboxing this boat, taking it for paddle on this lake, and then tomorrow I have a river trip planned with my wife. So that's going to be really fun. It's going to be my first time really ever paddling a river in a kayak. It's not a I believe it's below a class 1. It's just a basic river, but it's my first time on a river, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, we're in the beautiful mountains here. Let's get started, get unboxing this boat, and take her out for a paddle. In this box, we're gonna have, looks like we have the 2 tall back seats, and then we have our bow and stern carry bags. So guys, if you're like me and you buy the basic package, you get your kayak, you get your paddle, and you just want to get on the water, that's great. But I do have to say, upgrading to the carbon fiber paddle package, I mean it's totally worth it. I mean, look at this beautiful paddle. Nice designs on the blade, carbon fiber shaft, nice hand grips, a locking mechanism in the center, so you can loosen, tighten this. You can actually extend the paddle, and there's measurements, so you can take note of your favorite position. So you can extend the paddle out, make it smaller for different conditions. Yeah, this is a really nice paddle. Has the splash guards. So yeah, don't be like me. I'd say, and this is not just because I work for Sea Eagle. I think this is one of the nicest paddles I've ever really held. So yeah, totally worth the upgrade. I say go for it. I'm still gonna test it on the water, so I'll let you know what I think of it when I'm out on the water. But yeah, beautiful paddle. All right, guys, the last box and the kayak itself. I'm gonna move it down the water and get it set up over there. All right, guys, my Explorer kayak's all set up, and I think I'm ready to take it out for a little test spin before my big river trip tomorrow. Really didn't take that long, especially with the mega pump. I mean, you can inflate any of our boats pretty quickly with the mega pump. So yeah, it didn't take that long. The bags are all set up, the seats are set up, paddles are ready to go, and I tied down the floor. The floor tie downs, those are mainly for if you're doing white water, keeps the floor from popping out when it fills with water. So I'm not really gonna you really need those, but yeah, I also recommend before your first paddling trip, if you're not gonna use the drain valves or the drain holes, tighten those down. That way, no water leaks in. And yeah, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna take the kayak out for a spin, and yeah, give it a test. Well, guys, there you have it. I just finished up my little test paddle here on the lake, and she handled nice. I really like the way this this paddle feels, and I'm excited to take this thing down a river. I mean, that's what these Explorer kayaks are designed to do. So I'm excited to float the river tomorrow. It's gonna be about a 3-hour trip. So yeah, that should be a lot of fun. I'll catch you tomorrow.